Hello, everyone. Good evening and good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are or whoever you are in the world. Thank you so much for joining me once again. And my name's Brian, aka Doodleman. And I just want to take this time to show you guys the exercise that I do or the system that I developed to help train my both right and left hand for writing for this video. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and get started. And at the end of this video, I'll just go ahead and explain what I did. So just bear with me for a moment. Let me just go ahead and, so left hand, right. Just go ahead and finish what I do right here. Okay, so that's about it. So as you can see, on the first line, what I did was I start from the left to our right side with my right hand, and I did the complete opposite on my left side with my left hand, meaning from right side to our left side. So A, B, C, D, E, F. And on the second line, I did it backward. So meaning A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And on the other third line, what I did was I went from top to bottom and moved my next line to the opposite direction like that. So on my right side, I went from top to bottom and then moved my next line to the right side. Whereas on the left side, I did a complete opposite from top to bottom and move my next line to the left side like this. So that's my third example. And the fourth example, what I did was I created this 1-point perspective line. Start from the middle point right here, and then created these straight lines to the each direction, to the left and the right, and started writing these alphabets from small and make my way up to the largest letters to the right side, and I did complete opposite on my left side. So this right here is one of the first exercise that I kind of developed for myself to further improve my the ambidexterity when I first started out training my left hand. For those of you guys, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I think I did on my couple of my previous video that I have a carpal tunnel on my right wrist right over here. So when I'm writing or when I'm just drawing or doodling with my right hand, I cannot do this. I cannot really use my right hand more than like 2 or 3 minutes at a time before I start feeling like stabbing pain on my wrist on my right hand. So I really had no choice but to figure out ways to like train my left hand to support my right hand each time when I start feeling this stabbing pain on that area right over here. So yeah, hopefully, if you guys have a carpal tunnel like I do, or if you have any like small or medium or the major injury on your right side of your wrist or hand, uh, this right here is a pretty useful exercise that you could do to start train your left hand, or vice versa. If you're left-handed and thinking about training your right hand to become ambidextrous, then you could follow the exercise that I show you on my right side right here. If you're left-handed and try to, if you want to turn yourself into a right-handed as well, could be a simple but yet effective exercise to help you become an ambidextrous as well. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this spontaneous video that I created, or maybe not, because turning yourself into an ambidextrous person could be a rather kind of boring process, but again, it'll help you become just that much of a better person if you do become a ambidextrous. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll try to in the future make more video like this that has to do with ambidexterity. So thank you so much for watching once again, and if you could just subscribe and like to this small video that I just created, I'll really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys next time.